is Ellie and this is my channel, Got to Eat Pizza, and tonight we're going to use a cast iron pan. We are going to cook chicken kebabs in the Ooni Karu 16. Let's do it.
Can I go 400?
You just did. I'll keep that on now. It's 500 degrees centigrade. I'm going to put the pan in this super hot oven and get that to warm up for 2 minutes. Pan's coming out, boiling hot. I'm going to put my kebabs on here now. Bit more that way. I'll be able to get to the handle. Back in the oven. I'm going to place it so I can open up and twirl the kebabs round. I put the skewers in water before I put the chicken on so that they wouldn't burn in there, but I'm not quite sure if that's going to work or not. I'm not going to open the door just yet. Give them another minute or two. Oh, that worked. There was some wood left, so I was quite lucky. I'm gonna let's get this back in. It's nearly done. The chicken's nearly cooked. That is my dog drinking water in the background there. Oh, actually he's drinking from a puddle. And where is he? He dug a hole in my garden and then he's drinking the water out of it. Smells so delicious. Yeah, I think these are nearly done. Let's see if these are done. Yeah, I think that I always like to be sure they're definitely done. Ooh, lovely. So now I'm going to put this pan in, get that to quickly heat up for my, they're called corn in the cobs. I've lost the little handle that went with that one. So we are now gonna get my little pan out. Much more practical than the ones I had before. I think my corn is popping. Just put the mushrooms in. I might leave the door off for this so I can rotate it easily. They are looking very nice. Okay, I think they're done now. I think I will shut the door quickly for them so they give them a faster cook. The clear screen glass is slightly steaming up, but that's no problem. As you can see, I got my finger on it. It does wipe away very easily, and I can still see my food cooking inside. Ooh, they look lovely. I think that's going to break off. Just a bit more. I can smell those lovely mushrooms. So it won't be long. We just cooked everything, and I'm going to dip our chicken kebabs in some sweet chili sauce and some tikka curry sauce. Yeah. And there you have it, our lovely meal. I didn't film us eating it, but we certainly enjoyed it. That's all we had left. It was absolutely delicious, and the corn in the cob was the nicest corn in the cob I've ever made and tasted. I don't know what it was. I didn't add anything to it. I just put it in the sizzler pan with the olive oil that already heated up, and that sort of gave it a nice tangy flavour, like a tangy wood-fired flavour. But I felt like all of the flavours of the wood fire really did hit my cooking in this oven because the door was on. Gave a different cook, I think. I could taste the wood-fired flavours in my food. We all could. It was absolutely delicious. I really enjoyed making this video. It's a bit different to what I normally make, but I am going to be doing more nighttime pizza videos and cast iron cooking videos in the winter. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for your support. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye.